In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your exclusive listings and sold properties to your navigation structure and to your website. Okay, so first we go to IDX integration, My Listings. And in this page, we have exclusive listings and sold properties. This is where you're going to generate your listings. Below we had the fields for the agent ID and office ID. This will populate the properties for the exclusive and sold listings. I'm going to use the office ID. Then we select the sale type. We have for sale and for rent. For this example, we're going to use for sale. So at this moment, this filter generated 126 properties. If we select for rent, it goes up to 165. So let's select for sale. Now let's choose our property type. We're going to display single family homes and condominiums. We also have the option for townhouses. We're just going to leave those two. And now we select the price range. We're just going to select a minimum price range of 500,000 for our exclusive listings. So any properties above this price range, it's going to be displayed on our exclusive listings. We're going to save. Now we're going to move to the sold listings. We're going to use the same office ID. We're only going to display this for sale properties. This filter gives us 442 properties. Now we're going to select how far back we want our properties to be displayed. So we're going to go for 24 months. Then we're going to select the property type. We're going to go for single family homes and condominiums. So let's go ahead and select a minimum price range. We're going to go for 300,000. 308 properties are generated by this filter. Let's save it. Synchronize. Okay, so let's add these two pages to our navigation structure. So we go to IDX filters, then we go to My Listings. We check the exclusive and sold properties, and then add to menu. So now we have these two pages. We can then move it anywhere in our navigation structure. We're going to put it after search, then between search and about. We'll click save. Okay, so let's go to the home page that we're working on to preview our navigation structure and the two filters for the exclusive and sold properties. So we go to home page. We activate the home page that we're going to preview, then click preview. Okay, so in order to see the changes, we're going to press Ctrl Shift and R to refresh the page. Now we have both of our filters, exclusive listings and sold properties. So if we click on exclusive listings, it's going to take us to that filter page. And these are all the properties that were populated or generated by the office ID. And if we click on sold properties, it's going to take us to that filter page, the sold properties, along with all the properties that were generated by the office ID. And this is how you add your listings to your navigation and website.